There's nothing stopping us now, and this needs to get done anyway. I'm running it almost as shallow as I can go, and it's gonna be, we'll need to go deeper. Yeah, it's not very deep at all. Actually, it's a little more shallow than I thought it would be. Go a little deeper. See what we think. That's probably alright. I kind of think maybe we want to go just a little bit deeper. Of course, I'm basing this decision on arbitrary eyeball. That looks like about a 1/4 inch. I think we'll go with it. Yeah. See if we fit. Ooh, we do, but holy shit, that's snug. I mean, that's super duper tight. Yeah, it fits. Wow, that's monstrously tight. This is going to be such an awesome guitar. Maybe bigger. Awesome. Awesome possum. It's a really good fit, actually. It's not too tight, but it's also barely got any wiggle. Nice. Alright, there are shortcuts, and then there's just being lazy. Being lazy is how you ruin stuff. It's hard to resist. I mean, we're here. What the hell? But I can't go all the way through like that, so. Now, when we drill the back ferrules, they will be bigger, of course, and therefore we don't need to really worry about tear out. There's not going to be a lot with the ash anyway. What little there is, we will drill out with back ferrules anyway, so no worry. Ash doesn't tend to tear out all that much anyway, but 25-30 seconds. So knock the other two out. Now, the point of this, doing string throughs with the thin bit, depending on the material you're going through, it's fairly common for that bit to kind of wander a little bit, not come out quite square from where it went in. Not necessarily a huge problem, but it can make your ferrules not line up evenly spaced like they should be, and therefore, you know, ugly. We don't want that. So, okay. This bit didn't seem real snug. Maybe because my test was with a hand drill. Worst comes to worst, we can epoxy it if necessary, but it'll probably be alright. It's not terribly important depth. I mean, if we're a little deeper than necessary, it's not the end of the world. And I'm shooting for just a little more than we need. Nice and evenly spaced. Perfect. Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.